exploring the phrase, moonsail. Hello, dear learners. Today, we're going to unravel the meaning of the phrase, moonsail. It might sound mysterious and poetic, and that's because it is. By the end of this video, you'll have a clear understanding of what it means and how to use it. Let's start by looking at the word, moonsail, piece by piece. Moon. This is the large natural object that orbits the Earth. We see it in the night sky, and it's known for its phases from new moon to full moon. Sail. This word typically means a piece of material extended on a mast to catch the wind and propel a boat or ship. But it can also mean to move smoothly and effortlessly. When combined, moonsail doesn't directly relate to the literal meanings of both words. So, what does it signify? Let's delve deeper. The term, moonsail, isn't a common one in everyday English. It's more poetic and can be interpreted in different ways. However, a common interpretation might be, moonsail could symbolize a journey or adventure during the night, especially one that is serene and magical. It evokes the imagery of sailing smoothly under the soft glow of the moon, perhaps signifying a dreamlike or tranquil journey. Imagine a ship sailing smoothly under the moonlight. That's the kind of imagery moonsail might bring to one's mind. To understand better, let's see how moonsail can be used in a sentence. 1. Under the stars, they embarked on their moonsail, drifting into the realm of dreams. 2. The lake was so calm that night, it was the perfect time for a moonsail. 3. Her tales of the moonsail adventures made me yearn for a mystical journey of my own. These sentences show how the term can be used metaphorically to describe serene, nocturnal journeys, whether they're real or imaginary. And there you have it, the beautiful and evocative phrase, moonsail. It's not just about the moon and sailing but about the peaceful journeys we embark upon, especially under the enchanting glow of the moon. We hope this video has shed light on this poetic term. Always remember, language isn't just about communication. It's also about expression and imagination. Happy learning!